delve into the fascinating world of the pineal gland, often coined as the third eye. This mysterious, pea-sized organ located in the center of our brains has intrigued scientists and spiritual seekers alike, serving as a bridge between the tangible and the intangible, the known and the unknown. Let's embark on a journey back in time to the dawn of our evolution. The pineal gland emerges as a critical evolutionary feature, influencing vertebrate adaptation. This tiny gland, despite its size, played a major role in our ancestors' survival, helping them adapt to their environment and evolve over millions of years. It's a testament to the intricate dance of evolution, where even the smallest changes can have profound impacts. But the story of the pineal gland isn't just about our biological roots. It's also a story of symbolic transformation. Here we turn to the color green, a symbol of growth and change. Just as green leaves emerge from barren trees signaling the arrival of spring, the development of the pineal gland signifies our evolution as a species. It's a dynamic process, constantly in flux, reflecting the ever-changing world around us. The final part of our prelude brings us to the spiritual realm. The pineal gland is often linked to the concept of the third eye, a mystical idea found in many spiritual traditions. This third eye is seen as a transformative portal to higher consciousness and deeper understanding. It integrates our evolutionary biology with mystical insight, suggesting that there's more to our existence than what meets the eye. In this complex interplay of biology, symbolism, and spirituality, the pineal gland stands as a testament to our journey as a species. It's a reminder of where we've come from, and a beacon pointing towards the potential of where we could go. Thus, the pineal gland serves as a bridge between our biological roots and our spiritual potential. Now let's delve into the realm of interconnectivity, starting with the pineal gland's role in neurological integration. The pineal gland, this small, pine cone-shaped entity nestled within the depths of our brain, plays a role akin to a symphony conductor. It orchestrates the harmonious functioning of our neurological processes, ensuring seamless communication among various bodily systems. From modulating the body's internal clock to influencing our mood and perceptions, the pineal gland is an integral part of the intricate network that makes us, well, us. Moving on, let's consider the color green. In the grand tapestry of symbolism, green stands as a universal emblem of balance and interconnectedness. It's the color of spring, of growth, of life in full bloom. Just as the pineal gland harmonizes our bodily functions, green represents the harmony within ecosystems, the delicate balance of life that sustains us. But beyond this biological and symbolic harmony, there's another layer of interconnectivity to explore. It's the concept of collective consciousness, the idea that we, as beings, are all interconnected on a fundamental level. This isn't just about shared experiences or common goals, it's about a deeper, more profound connection that transcends physical boundaries and touches the realm of the spiritual. The third eye, often associated with the pineal gland, is a symbol of this interconnectedness. It's seen as a portal, a gateway that opens up to a universal network of consciousness. It's a concept that resonates with themes of unity and shared awareness, suggesting that we are all part of a greater whole, a cosmic symphony of life. And so, in this symphony of interconnectivity, the pineal gland plays a pivotal role. It's not just a biological entity, but a symbol of our interconnectedness, our shared journey through life. It's a reminder that we are more than just individual beings, but parts of a grand, interconnected whole. The pineal gland, much like the color green, symbolizes the interconnectedness of all life. The journey to enlightenment is multifaceted, with the pineal gland playing a pivotal role. This tiny endocrine gland, nestled deep within the brain, is often associated with the processing of sensory information and the regulation of states of consciousness. It's like the brain's own personal switchboard, directing the flow of information and determining how we perceive and interpret the world around us. But the pineal gland's influence extends beyond the realm of purely cognitive perception. When we consider the color green, a symbol often associated with wisdom and knowledge, we begin to see a parallel. Just as green signifies growth and transformation, the pineal gland too is involved in our ongoing journey of understanding, helping us to assimilate new information and adapt to ever-changing circumstances. The concept of enlightenment is not limited to intellectual insight alone. it encompasses profound spiritual experiences too. This is where the idea of the third eye comes into play. In many cultural and spiritual traditions, the third eye is seen as a transformative portal to higher consciousness and deeper understanding. It is thought to be a gateway to transcendent experiences and heightened states of awareness, providing us with a sense of connection to the universe and our place within it. In this context, the pineal gland and the third eye are seen as intimately connected. The biological functions of the pineal gland, from sensory processing to the regulation of consciousness, are thought to facilitate these profound spiritual encounters. Thus, the pineal gland serves a dual purpose. Not only does it help us to navigate the physical world, but it also opens up possibilities for spiritual exploration and enlightenment. So, as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the pineal gland, we begin to see it not just as a biological entity, but as a symbol of our potential for growth, understanding, and enlightenment. The pineal gland, thus, serves as a biological gateway to spiritual enlightenment. The pineal gland's role extends to helping us maintain temporal balance. This small pea-sized gland nestled deep in the brain is responsible for our internal clockwork, harmonizing our biological rhythms with the ebb and flow of the world around us. The pineal gland's most renowned function is in regulating our circadian rhythms. This is our internal 24-hour clock that cycles between sleepiness and alertness at regular intervals. It's the maestro conducting the symphony of our sleep-wake cycle. When darkness falls, the pineal gland produces melatonin, a hormone that makes us drowsy and helps us sleep. Conversely, as dawn breaks and light filters in, the production of melatonin ebbs, nudging us awake. Now let's shift our focus to the color green's symbolic representation of seasonal cycles. Just as the pineal gland responds to the changing light of day and night, it's also attuned to the longer rhythms of the seasons. Green is the color of spring, of new growth and renewal. It's the color that signals the end of winter's dormancy and the resurgence of life. This mirrors the pineal gland's role in light detection and its potential impact on seasonal affective disorders, a type of depression linked to changes in seasons. And finally, let's delve into the metaphysical connections between the pineal gland, the cycles of nature, and cosmic harmony. The pineal gland, in regulating our internal rhythms, aligns us with the larger cosmic order. Just as the Earth follows a steady orbit around the Sun, and the Moon waxes and wanes in a predictable cycle, so too are we, thanks to the pineal gland, attuned to these natural rhythms. In this sense, the pineal gland is our internal metronome, ticking in time with the universe's grand symphony. It's the cornerstone of our biological clock, grounding us in the temporal reality of our world. It's a tiny gland with a colossal task, to keep us in balance with the universe's rhythms. Through the pineal gland, we find ourselves in sync with the universe's rhythms. Transcendence, a concept often associated with the pineal gland, represents our potential for growth and liberation. From a biological standpoint, this tiny, pine-cone-shaped gland nestled deep within our brains is seen as a potential site for profound neurochemical processes, possibly influencing extraordinary states of consciousness. It's like this tiny biological marvel is an orchestra conductor, coordinating the symphony of our brain's activity to produce these unique states of mind. But what about the symbolism? The color green often represents aspiration, growth, and the reaching for higher planes of existence. It's no coincidence that the same color that signals spring's renewal and nature's unfurling abundance also echoes the aspirations attributed to the pineal gland in various philosophical and spiritual traditions. Just as a plant reaches for the sun, growing and transforming, so too does the pineal gland symbolize our own potential for inner growth and transformation. Now let's delve into the realm of spiritual liberation. This is where things get really interesting. The triad posits the third eye, often linked with the pineal gland, as a symbol of breaking free from physical limitations and achieving a state of enlightenment or liberation. Just pause for a moment and consider that. The idea is that this tiny gland, this biological entity inside our heads, could potentially be the key that unlocks a state of consciousness that transcends our physical existence. It's a concept that's both fascinating and a little mind-boggling. So where does that leave us? Perhaps with a sense of wonder and a newfound appreciation for the complexity and potential of our own biology. Perhaps with a desire to explore further to delve deeper into the mysteries of the pineal gland and its symbolic and spiritual significance. The pineal gland, in essence, symbolizes our capacity to transcend the physical and reach for the metaphysical. It's a testament to the extraordinary potential of the human mind, and a reminder that we are all capable of reaching for something greater, something transcendent. As we wrap up our exploration of the pineal gland, let's reflect on what we've learned. We've journeyed through the triad of evolution, understanding the pineal gland's critical role in biological development and its symbolic transformation, from a simple organ to a profound spiritual awakening portal. This third eye stands as a testament to the intricate interweaving of biology, symbolism, and spirituality in our lives. We've discovered the triad of interconnectivity, where the pineal gland harmonizes numerous neurological processes, reflecting the interconnectedness of our bodily systems. Its symbolic unity with the color green represents balance within ecosystems, resonating with the concept of collective consciousness. We've navigated the triad of enlightenment, appreciating the pineal gland's contribution to cognitive perception and regulation of our states of consciousness. Symbolically, green is a beacon of wisdom and knowledge, mirroring the enlightening role of the pineal gland in cultural and spiritual contexts. The third eye, as a gateway to transcendent experiences, links our biological functions to profound spiritual encounters. We've explored the triad of temporal balance, understanding the pineal gland's central role in circadian rhythms, aligning our biological clock with the natural rhythms of the day. The color green, signifying the changing of seasons, mirrors the pineal gland's responsiveness to light and its impact on seasonal affective disorders. This triad reminds us of the metaphysical connections between the gland, nature's cycles, and the larger cosmic order. Finally, we've ascended through the triad of transcendence, witnessing the pineal gland's potential for profound neurochemical processes and extraordinary states of consciousness. The color green symbolizes aspiration and growth, echoing the aspirations attributed to the pineal gland in philosophical and spiritual traditions. The third eye symbolizes breaking free from physical limitations and achieving enlightenment or liberation, paralleling the gland's role in transcending ordinary consciousness. The pineal gland, our third eye, truly stands as a testament to the intricate interweaving of biology, symbolism, and spirituality in our lives.